Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Spotify while playing Roblox. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Roblox app, and as soon as you do that, this is how the interface gonna look like. You have signed in and this is how the interface is, and you can simply play. So first thing first, we're going to open up our Spotify right over here and let's play a song. When I'm playing a particular song, it's going to show up right over here, and then I'm going to go to Roblox right over here, and let's say I'm playing this particular game. So the only thing that you have to make sure is while you're playing your Spotify, you have to make sure that your particular game does not have their own audio, because if they have their own audio to play on the side as a track, then that can cause the issue, and then that will simply turn off the Spotify. And when you exit through it, when the soundtrack is off from your game, then the Spotify again turn back on, because that's how Spotify simply works. It plays in your background, right? So that is how it is. It is simply like any other app that you use. For example, if you're using TikTok or Instagram playing reels, then this Spotify music will be stopped. But if you're simply swiping to your post, the way music is not allowed or music is not playing, then your songs will play on the background as well. Simply that happens with the Roblox as well. If you don't have that issue, if you still is bothered by that, use your another device and play their Spotify and play game on your phone. So this is it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.